Okay, this is a pretty ugly wiring job, but hopefully you'll get the general idea. I have my locks on one side, got some staple hasps with normally closed switches, and also I have another switching mechanism for the cam locks that I plan on using. And what that is this little magnetic post that fits on top. I had to use 1/2-inch PVC, heat up with a heat gun, stretch it over a cam lock that I had that was really long. It was actually one of the padlock cam locks. And what's going to happen is when I have the cam on there, when it touches this post, it can read that as a general I/O. It's all still very much a work in progress, and I need to fit everything in, including these speakers, which I thought might be small enough. They're USB powered, but it looks like there's way too much stuff in the back, too much junk in the trunk for those. So I'm going to have to go in and fix that here shortly. But the way it's eventually going to work, I'll simulate by actually just touching some touch points. Normally we have this little screen running with sponsors information and information about, how the whole thing was put together. But when someone actually touches one of the buttons, which I'll do here shortly, it should queue up a new video. So essentially this is a video kiosk for doing a lockpick tutorial.
You press the info button. When I have the project complete, whenever you press one of the buttons next to a lock, it'll show you how to pick that particular lock.
And I have a few other ones on here as well. Like this one should say you successfully picked the pin and tumbler lock.
You locked the pin tumbler lock. Pin tumbler lock.
But yeah, it's all a work in progress. Currently I have a few different locks in this board. I have some progressive cam locks that I repinned myself. I have a tubular lock in there. I actually have a disty-tainer lock, a dimple lock, and what you don't see at the bottom because it's kind of fallen out until I put the screws in, is just a really simple wafer lock. But it's coming along. I think I'm going to be off to something else for a bit today.